let me lure you with one more important advantage if you are reading price action, if you are reading individual candles, and that's your risk to reward. It means generally, if you are going to trade, of course, you are having 50% chance of losing and 50% of chance of winning, right? So if you are trading and you are expecting one risk to one reward ratio, then of course you are going to lose. If you have charges, if you have spread, you are going to definitely lose. So this point confirms that you need to book more profits when you are right. So for that point, you need a high RR, that is risk to reward ratio. You need more reward than what you are risking. If you are risking 1 rupees, if you are risking $1, then you need to make at least $3, $4, $5, who knows? Yeah, have you seen market falling relentlessly? Have you seen market riding like what we say, shark just coming out of water? Zoop, right? So for that purpose, you need to understand price action. You need to understand particular candles, what it demonstrates, what it shows, what is happening there. If you are clearly understanding what is happening there, then you will enter at the right time, you will exit at the right time. And with the right time, I am saying you are booking handsome amount of profit, more than what you are risking. Another beautiful thing I like about price action, and you are going to witness it, that have you seen some tutors, some websites, some seminars, some webinars, or you can say any, if you are attending any course, weekend courses, they particularly show 2 to 3 charts, 4 charts where their system works, their setup works, right? But, and ignoring everything else, saying it as a noise, okay, meddling it with the noise, that it is all noise, it is not important, right? This is your candle, you need to enter here, this is your candle, you need to exit here, and everything else in the chart is noise for you. That's what I am against, okay? Because every candle, every tick, every price, everything in chart is important. It tells you something. It tells you story that is real time happening. So you cannot ignore any candle, okay? So here we are going to understand each and every candle. When market is running, like in any time frame, for example, let's say you are watching a 5-minute chart and there has been last seconds remaining for closing of the 5-minute candle, and now it closed. After every close of a candle, traders think that what just happened, right? Every trader. There are some traders who knows price action, and there are some who don't, and who don't just try to remember those patterns that they have learned or they have seen somewhere, they have learned somewhere, and if that pattern is not there, they just act like there is nothing happened and mark all candles, all activity as unimportant, insignificant. Sometimes say that they assume that the action what is happened, like if like let's say there's a candle that opens here and then suddenly it goes here and there's a good volume with that in that candle, then they say that this is an institutional candle, right? So stay away from it, right? These kind of things. They try to ignore them and ignore themselves, that they act like they are not the part of market. And if they are doing so, what is happening? They are denying what is being happening. They are denying what is reality. They name it institutional activity and they mark it as a non-tradable thing, like you cannot trade in this, stay away from this, these kind of things, right? But if you watch it closely, if you watch it with keeping this in mind, that you can read everything what is happening, then definitely you are gonna trade, and you're gonna see some important setups, important things, important trades that you were missing till now. You will trade them if you know what is happening at the right time, real time. You will trade them and you will make good profit that you were missing out till now. Remember, your job as a successful day trader is to see, watch, analyze what is happening in the real time and making money out of it. That's it. This is your job as a professional day trader. And how you can do it? By understanding what is happening in real time. And that's time consuming, that's challenging, and that's the challenge you would need to succeed in this career. Even though it is time consuming, it is difficult, this is the foundation you will require to become a successful trader.